Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to measure the Schottky diode, whether it is okay in good condition or in bad or damaged condition. So this is the Schottky diode and this is simple diode. This is the symbol of Schottky diode. This is anode, this is cathode. Okay, this is part number of this. So Schottky diode, always you might have seen in this condition. Schottky diode, always here is the silver color circle, so it is cathode, and black portion it is anode. So how we measure the diode condition? We put the multimeter in the diode range and lead in this range. Now we will check. Put the anode red lead at the anode and black lead at the cathode, like this. Okay, so it should say it should show some value like this, 0.269. So in the Schottky diode range, this is the 0.2 is the range of the Schottky diode, and it may be 0.3 also, but generally the range is 0.2 something to 0.3 maybe also. Okay, so this is the right way to measure. It will show some value. In the opposition direction, if we interchange the lead, black here at the anode and red at the cathode, so it will show open like this. It will show always open. So this diode are in the right condition. It is not damaged. Same thing apply at the simple diode. But simple diode, it will show the range from 0.5 to 0.7 like this. It will show. It is showing 0.585. Okay. If we interchange the lead, red at cathode and black at anode, so it will show always open. So it is also in the right condition. So you can see here both diodes are in the right condition. And you might have read in the books, when the current through the diode or temperature of the diode increase, so dropping voltage of the diode always increase. So Schottky diode voltage may vary from 0.2 to 0.85. It is given in its data sheet. So 0.2 voltage drop only you will get at 10 milliampere or 100 milliampere as per its data sheet at the room temperature. But if the current increase in the Schottky diode through the Schottky diode, so its dropping voltage is not remain 0.2 volt, it will increase up to 1 volt, 0.8 volt, it will increase as per the current increase and temperature increase. Same thing also apply here. If diode having the minimum 0.7 volt dropping voltage, so it will be only in 10 milliampere or 100 milliampere as per the data sheet on the room temperature. But if the current and temperature increase of the diode, so dropping voltage also increase. Simple diode voltage may be reach up to 1.5 volt dropping voltage. Okay, now we talk about the damage condition. What will be the reading of diode in the damage condition? One is short, diode may be short, okay, or diode may be open, yeah, diode may be show some value in this direction also, maybe show some very less value or high value. Yeah, in this condition also it will not show open, it will show some value, yeah, damage value, short value show, or it will show open value. So in most of the case, diode always get shorted. It will show here shorted continuity, and in very rare case it will open, and in very rare case only 5%, 2%, it will show some value at the both sides. Like this also it will show some less value, 0.015 something like this. It is in very rare condition. In always transistor, if diode, if damaged, so it is either short or open in both condition, in both terminal. You can check. So I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, please like and subscribe my video and wait for the another video. Thank you.